Hello friends. So in this video we talk about the system 1 and system 2 thinking. Have you ever found yourself lost in thought, barely aware of your surroundings? Or have you ever made a snap judgment without really thinking it through? If so, then you have experienced the two types of thinking that cause system 1 and system 2 thinking. System 1 is your brain's automatic pilot. It's the system that helps you navigate the world without having to consciously think about every little thing. System 1 is responsible for things like recognizing faces, reading emotions, or reacting to danger. It's fast and intuitive, but it's also prone to biases and errors. For example, when you see my face as angry, when you see this 1 plus 1 and a number comes to mind, or when you are driving a car, you are using system 1 thinking. You don't have to consciously think about every little movement of your hands and feet or every decision you made. Your brain has automated the process, allowing you to focus on other things like listening to music or having a conversation. System 2, on the other hand, is your brain's conscious, effortful mode of thinking. It's the system that you use when you need to solve a problem, reason through a complex issue, or make a deliberate decision. For example, when you are solving a difficult math problem, say 29 times 36, you are using system 2 thinking. You have to consciously focus your attention and work through the problem step by step. It's slow and effortful process, but it's also more accurate and less prone to errors. So why is it important to understand these two types of thinking? Well, by understand how your brain works, you can learn to recognize when you are using system 1 thinking and when you need to switch to system 2. System 1 thinking can be prone to biases and errors. For example, you might assume that a painting is worth millions of dollars simply because it looks like a famous artist's work. But by taking the time to use system 2 thinking and do some research, you might find out that the painting is forgery. By learning to recognize then you are using when you are using system 1 thinking and when you need to switch to system 2, you can make better decisions and avoid common cognitive biases. So the next time you find yourself lost in thought or making a snap judgment, remember to take a step back and think about which system you are using. By doing so, you can harness the power of both System 1 and System 2 thinking to make better decisions and navigate the world more effectively. Thank you for your listening.